Lace.
We are Whiskey on Lace, and we play Sleaze House Extra into your beautiful places. This song's called Low. Show us what you made of, or you won't get one who go. I see destruction in your eyes, inside you screaming no. I've been around the world, I've seen a million different girls. Never seen someone cry like you, nothing left that I can do. Now you've got nowhere to go, you're all alone, you're feeling low. Go on like that, selling yourself for just one head. What you waiting for? Time is running out. What's it gonna be? You better take it or leave it. Now you got nowhere to go. You're all alone, you're feeling low. That's it. Now you've got nowhere to go. You're all alone, you're feeling low. Whiskey Boys. Thank you. We are Whiskey on Lace, and we're here for your entertainment.
How's everybody doing? Right, we need a massive cheer on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. No, it was rubbish. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! That's more like it. So we're Whiskey and Lace, and we play rock and roll. And this one's one of our slower songs. So grab the person you love, hold them, give a nice big kiss. Or Susan come right. Extra points for that one, I think. This song's called Come Away. 'cause we've been out and we've done it all. But when I look at you, I see nothing but my soul. Just make me a promise, yeah. Do one thing for me. Smile every day, no matter what they say. You're the only one, makes me happy. Thank you very much. Thank you, cheers. Just want to thank everyone for coming tonight and supporting us. Thanks to the bands. Awesome stuff. Thanks to Cal for sorting out. She's awesome and that. And this song's dedicated to everyone here and all our heroes from the 1980s. This one's called This Ain't Los Angeles. Problem and it starts with one kiss from you on the left. Tastes so sweet, going down again. Well, I still remember what you told me. You told me how to rock. Let's cross your head, praying up above. Holding my hand like you're holding my bone. Gotta slow it down, maybe be a fast slow. Over your pants, you take it up again. I still remember what you told me. You told me how to rock. Told me to roll. Told me how to rock, yeah. Told me how to roll. Hey! This little girl, she took me to Flamingo, showed me all the things and where to put it into, told me to kiss. Oh, she told me to love, she told me to hold, she told me to touch. The last thing that she said to me is don't you ever stop, just remember who you was. She told you how to rock, she told me to rock. She told me to roll. She told me how to rock, yeah. She told me to rock and roll. She told me to rock and roll all day and night. Who never stop till you see the morning light, yeah. So, 1, 2, 3. No, you're not hardcore.
No, you're not hardcore.
Unless you live hardcore.
Unless you live hardcore.
I'm the legend of the red. So you're hardcore. No, you're not hardcore.
No, you're not hardcore.
Unless you live hardcore.
Unless you live hardcore.
I'm the legend of the red. So you're hardcore. No, you're not hardcore. Unless you live hardcore. I'm the legend of the red. That's it. You're not hardcore. Unless you live hardcore. But the legend of the red. We're hardcore. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whiskey Lace, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Whiskey and Lace! Whoa! There was some serious table surfing going on over there. Oh my God, I almost missed it because I was behind the screen there, and the sound engineer, the dude, Ethan, he says, "God, look at this, bloody hell!" I'm quite shocked. That was incredible. Okay.